Welcome to session 3. Now in this session, the focus is the hip region, which primarily is your hip flexor, your lower abdomen, your lower back and your glutes. And remember, we have to focus on recruiting and coordinating the right muscle. You ready then? Let's begin the warm-up. Spinal extension on toes. Instructions first and then we do it together. Keep your feet hip width apart. Palms to the heart center, interlock your fingers. Now, inhale, heel off the ground, arms all the way up to the ceiling, lengthen and exhale, down. Heels drop down and palms to the heart center. Are we ready? Let's do this for 5 repetitions. And inhale up, exhale, down. Lengthen the body, inhale up, exhale, down. Go all the way up on your toes. Inhale up, reach for the ceiling, exhale, down. 2 more. Inhale up, exhale, down. Last one. Lengthen, inhale up, exhale, down and down. Spinal twist with a swing. Instructions first and then we do it together. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, arms extended out to the side, shoulder level. Now we're going to swing on either side, starting with the right. Swing, let your arms wrap the body, eyes all the way back and your left heel off the ground. Now swing to the left, eyes all the way to the back and right heel off the ground, and let your arms really wrap your entire body. Ready? And that becomes 1 rep. We will do 5 of these and go. You don't need to hurry the movement. Stay with me. Reach out. Ensure your heel is off the ground. Come on. Last one. And done. Split leg forward bend to a wide leg squat. Instructions first and then we do this together. Now keep your feet wider than hips. Ensure your toes are pointed in front at all times. Arms at the back, interlock your fingers. Now inhale, exhale, drop down, head down, arms interlocked and chin up. Inhale, exhale, head down, eyes at the back. We're going to hold that for 5 breaths. From here, we rise up. Now push your toes out diagonally. Drop your hips down. Interlock your fingers right in the center and push your arms up to the ceiling and hold that wide leg squat for 5 full breaths. Are we ready? So we do 2 rounds of this. Position. Arms back. Interlock your fingers and inhale, exhale, drop down. Chin up, inhale, exhale, drop further down, eyes all the way to the back and hold for 5 breaths. Deep breaths, 2 more. Working the hamstring, glutes, lower back, shoulders. And gently come up. Toes pointed out to the side, diagonal. Drop your hips down, palms to the center, interlock and push your hands up to the ceiling and hold 5 breaths. Knee and toe aligned. 2 more deep breaths. Quads parallel to the ground. And up. Beautiful. Now take your arms back again. Interlock. Ensure your toes are now pointing in front. Inhale. Exhale. Down. Forward bend. Okay, now chin up. Inhale. Exhale further down, eyes all the way to the back. 5 breaths. Keep those fingers interlocked. Give me nice deep breaths. Knees locked. Last one. Now gently rise up for the wide leg squat. Toes pointed out. Drop down. Arms to the center. Fingers interlocked and all the way up. 5 breaths. Hold that squat. You feel the burn around your quads, your hamstring, glutes. 2 more deep breaths. Come on. 1 more. And rise up gently, feet together and down. Warrior 1 to warrior 3. Instructions first and then we do it together. Start with the mountain. Now, right foot between your arms, head up, chest up, spine straight, arms all the way up to the ceiling. Back leg extended, knee locked. Now, this is your warrior 1. Hold that strong, 5 breaths there, and from there we move to warrior 3. So, hinge at the hips, drop your chest down, head down, raise your left leg up and eyes in front. And hold that for 5 breaths, and then we'll repeat on the other side. Are we ready? Let's do this together. Down to mountain. Right foot in, between your arms, chest up, head up, arms all the way up to the ceiling, and 5 breaths. Back leg extended. Ensure your right knee does not go ahead of the toe at any point. 2 more deep breaths. Last one. And moving to warrior 3. From here, chest down, head down, and left leg up. Hold strong, 5 breaths. Your right knee can be soft. Almost there, 2 more breaths. And gently bring your left leg down, arms down, and back to the mountain. Now the other side, left foot between your arms, chest up, head up, arms all the way up to the ceiling, and hold 5 breaths. Again, your back leg extended out, knees straight. 3 more deep breaths. Last one. And from here, let's go to warrior 3. Chest down, right leg up, point your toes, and 5 breaths, arms extended. Almost there, 3 breaths. And gently drop down, arms down, back to the mountain, and rise gently and down. Seated single leg forward bend and a reverse plank. Instructions first and then we do this together. Down on the floor, legs extended out, nice and straight. Now, bend your left knee, bring your left foot very close to your right inner thigh. Now take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, and reach forward for your right foot. Grip your foot and chest down. Eyes on the big toe, and we hold that for 5 breaths. From here, we drop our left arm down at the back close to your butt. Lift those hips up off the ground and right arm all the way to the back. Eyes following your fingers, your right finger. Hold, and 5 breaths there, and then we repeat on the other side. Are we ready? Let's do this together. Right leg out, extended, left knee bent. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, reach out and grab your right foot. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, go further down and gaze at your right toe, and 5 breaths. Chest down. 3 more deep breaths. Last one. And gently rise up. Bring your left arm to the back, close to your butt. Hips off the ground. And right arm all the way back, and eyes following the right hand. 5 breaths. Your abdomen, hip flexors opening up. 2 more deep breaths. And gently drop down. Now extend your left leg out. Bend your right knee. Bring your right foot close to your left inner thigh. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale, reach forward and grab your foot. Chin up, inhale. Exhale, further down, eyes on the big toe, and 5 breaths. You can micro bend your left knee if necessary. One more deep breath. And relax. Now bring your right hand down to the back, close to the butt. Lift your hips up off the ground. Left arm reaching all the way to the back, and eyes following the left finger. Hold 5 breaths. Two more deep breaths. We're almost there. And gently drop down. And done. Seated spinal twist. Instructions first, and then we do this together. Down on the floor, legs extended out, spine straight. Now bend your left knee, place it on the floor, bend your right knee and bring your right foot outside your left knee. Now use your left arm to grab your right outer thigh as much as you can, and drop your right arm down but elbows soft. Turn all the way back and hold that for 5 breaths before we do it on the other side. Are we ready? Let's do this together. Position, extend your legs out, bend your left knee, bend your right knee and bring your right foot outside your left knee. Left arm on your right outer thigh and right arm down on the floor. Look all the way back and 5 breaths. Now here again, the focus is on your spine, your shoulders, your upper back, chest and neck. Keep breathing. 2 more deep breaths. And change sides. Legs extended out. Now this time, bend your right knee first, then your left. Bring your left foot outside your right knee. Take your right arm all the way around. Grab your left outer thigh. Place your left arm down and eyes back. 5 breaths. Feel the work on the spine. shoulders and chest. 2 more deep breaths. Last one. And relax. And done. Time to cool down. Child's pose. Instructions first and then we do it together. Down on the floor, bend your knee. Drop your hips down on your heel. Arms at the back, interlock your fingers. Now, inhale, arch your back. Exhale, drop the chest down, head down. Keep those fingers interlocked. And again, inhale up. Arch your back. Exhale, down. We do that for 3 repetitions and then we hold down for 5 breaths. Are we ready? Let's do this together. Position, arms interlocked, and inhale, arch the back, exhale, drop down. Inhale up, arch your back, exhale, chest down, head down, keep those fingers interlocked. One more time, inhale up, arch, exhale, down. Hold. Now drop your arms down to the side. Relax. 5 breaths. Keep your hips down. Head down on the floor. Relax. 1 more deep breath. And chest up. And now it's time for Shavasana. Are we ready? Down on the floor, lie down, legs extended out. Now arms down on the ground, away from the body, relax. You can curl your fingers, now feet flopping to the side. Take a deep breath, relax, close your eyes. Be aware of your breath. Gently move your fingers, move your toes. Continue to be aware of your breath. Turn to the right, nice and slow. Rise up. Stay seated, legs folded. Palms to the heart center. Now rub your palms. Feel the heat and place it on your eye, on your cheeks, and gently open your eyes. And with that, we finish session 3. Now in this session, we focused a lot on the hip region. Yes, I felt it and I'm sure you felt it too. Now for some of us, a lot of stress is also stored around the hip region. And with this session, we helped relieve all that stress. Good work. You take care. I'll see you in session 4.